Hey everyone, welcome to our first video of this course. Today's video is about the order of operations. What order of operations means is in which sequence should we conduct the mathematical operations. The operations go as parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and lastly addition and subtraction. This means that if an equation has parentheses, you should simplify what is inside of them first. Let's take an example. Let's say 5 minus, and inside the parentheses we're going to put 3 plus 4. What we're going to do is add the 3 and the 4 first, and thus we get 5 minus 7, which gives us a negative 2. Here's another example. Let's take 2 plus, and let's have two sets of parentheses this time. Let's have inside the first set 1 minus, and a second set inside of it 2 times 2. First, we're going to do the inner set of parentheses. So we're going to multiply the first 2's. We're going to keep the 1 minus, but it's going to be 1 minus 4. Now, we're going to do the 1 minus 4 because they're also inside parentheses. We're going to have 2 plus negative 3, which will give us negative 1. Now, for the second part, if there are exponents, you should simplify them first if the parentheses are absent. For example, let's take 10 plus 4 to the power of 2, and thus 4 squared. What we're going to do is simplify the 4 squared and get 10 plus 16, which is 26. Here's another example. Let's take 3 minus 5 plus 2 to the power of 2 squared, minus, inside a parentheses, 4 minus 3. First, we're going to do the parentheses because they take the opportunity first. They're more important for us. It's going to be 3 minus 5 plus 2 to the power of 2. We're going to keep it as it is, minus 1. Now, we're going to simplify the exponents and get 3 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. Now that we only have addition and subtraction left, we can start from left to right. 3 minus 5 is negative 2, plus 4 minus 1. Add the negative 2 with the 4 and get a 2 minus 1, and that gives you a 1. If you have only multiplication and division, or only addition and subtraction in the equation with no parentheses or exponents, then you should start from the left and work your way right through the equation. Let's take the multiplication example first and division. 2 divided by, okay, put it like this, 4 times 3. First, we're going to divide the 2 by the 4, and that will give us a 0.5 times 3, which is 1.5. The other example for the addition and subtraction is, let's take an easy example, 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5. Add the 1 and the 2 and that will give us 3. So it's 3 minus 3 plus 4. And thus it's a 0 plus 4 minus 5, and therefore it's a negative 1. Now, let's try an example with all of the operations in it. Pause the video and try it in the equation, and then continue once you have the answer. The equation is 12 times 2 minus 3 plus, inside the first set of parentheses, 5 to the power of 2 times, inside of the second set of parentheses, 4 minus 2 another one, and then close the parentheses and outside of them is minus 4. Pause the video and try it on your own. Alright, so hopefully you've all gotten the answer. As we can see, there are two sets of parentheses, and therefore we're going to do the inner one first. Let's do this. 12 times 2 minus 3 plus 5. We're going to keep the 5 squared for now, times 2 minus 2 minus 4. Therefore, 12 times 2 minus 3 plus, inside the parentheses, is 25 times 2 minus 2, minus 4. The 12 times, we do the inside the parentheses first, 25 times 2, and get a result of 50. 50 minus 2, and minus 4 outside. We do inside the parentheses one more time, and it's 12 times 2 minus 3 plus 48 minus 4. Now there's a multiplication, therefore we'll have to do it first, and it's 24 minus 3 plus 48 minus 4. 24 minus 3 is 21 plus 48 minus 4. 21 plus 48 is a 69 minus 4, which equals 65. So that was the lesson today. I hope this guide helps you guys with the order of operations.